We'll guide you through how to fix Flash Player is no longer supported in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. So first of all, I just want to go and show you the error I'm getting when I'm trying to go and use Flash. So I just went and search for Adobe Flash Player test. I'll come to this site. As you can see, it says Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported. And when I click here, we also go and get it here as well. So to go and fix this, what we need to do is go to the top right of Chrome and click the three dots. Come down and hover over extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now what you want to do is go and type in Flash Player like so at the top. And the one we're going to get is Flash Player for the web. And what we're going to do is go and get this top one, Flash Player for Chrome. Then all you need to do is come over to the right and tap on Add to Chrome, and we can click on Add Extension. You'll then go and get this pop-up saying we've gone and added it. So now if I come back to the site here, I'll just go and press back and come back to it to reload it. You can go and see it says it looks like hardware acceleration is not enabled. To enable it, click the three dots in the top right and click settings. We can go and type in acceleration like so. We want to go and switch on, use graphics acceleration like so. Press relaunch, and here we are back on the site. I can press the play button, which works, and I can click here and this works as well. It's that simple.